Where's that? Yeah. Come here. Give me that.
So we're on the HMCS Haida. I think that's how you pronounce it.
This should be over.
Worship.
This should be over 3 centuries old if it survived World War II.
It's in Hamilton.
Get out of there.
Tour continues for them.
Inside of there.
It's okay. Be not gonna do nothing. It's a beautiful day. Always wanted to go on this thing. And Gaby, watch your step. And always wanted to go on this thing. And it's wow, Gaby. We're gonna be all over this place. Whoa.
So this is the back of the ship.
Yeah, we're on a
Look at that
worship.
disgusting green ocean.
It's not green. This is Lake Ontario. Well, Lake Ontario
Lake
was in
Ontario.
between Lake Erie. I don't know, something like that. But we are.
speedboat.
There's the army trucks. We're on a military base.
Oh, geese.
I think it's a naval.
Helicopter.
I think it's Navy. I believe it is Navy. But this is a warship from the First World War. It's a destroyer. I forget what it's called. But yes, we're going from the front to the back. The sign says activated guns, keep off. Like,
Jesus.
seriously? Look at these things.
Don't shoot. I'm a good guy.
That's crazy. So we're on the worship. We're on the, well, I thought it was the top, but there's another top, but we can't go up there. Only the crew can. And we're at the Hamilton Harbor. Only the crew. It says a sign right there. Only the crew's allowed. But yeah, we have a sign here that says the guns are active. The guns are active, yo. A little bit scary.
Bug.
Huh? Why are we on a ship and you're looking at bugs? It's a fly.
It's not a fly.
Yeah, it actually is. Flies look like that.
No.
Oh, what's in here? What's that, Gabriel?
Dear Jesus. Can you stop it? You're so mean.
Artillery. It's a missile.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, God. He's so scared to walk on this thing. It's not even that bad. Whoa. That's what I was talking about. They're in there. That's what I was saying. The missiles or whatever, they sit them in here. And then they take it out. But it's in force? Or no, it's probably not in force. They probably just keep it together. But they probably take it out and put it in and then right through.
I wonder if it can hit that building over there.
Of course.
And it blow up.
We're on the inside of the ship, looking at the ship, how it was. So I just took a picture with that. Yes, we're enjoying ourselves. Are we enjoying ourselves, Gaby?
I don't know.
He's a little bit scared. He's like, you're enjoying this more than I am. I am. I like this kind of stuff. And they have different, like, they have a TV thing down there. Different stuff. Wakey, lash up and stow. I don't know, what is this? Oh, they wake up in the morning, 600 hours. Take down their hammocks. So I guess they used to sleep like this. Can you imagine? Can you imagine sleeping like that for like months on end? Huh?
I'd follow every time I sleep.
I know, right? Wow. What a way them live. So, hi. Oh, excuse me. So, I'm in that area of the ship. It's called Stewart's Mess. Now, you see this room here. You should see the other room. I'm going to show it to you. But this is the room where the people that cook and, cook and store, wardroom, I guess they clean up stuff. They go through this hole right here. Let me tell you how tight this hole is.
It's so hard.
Okay. Go through it. Go through it. It's it. That's how they go through it. But look where they're coming from, because they cook and whatnot. All right. Look at this room. Look at this area. This is the area where the commander, the captain, and everything. The Queen Elizabeth is on the wall. Look at the hole they have to go through. That's what they had, the people that cook and clean on the ship. My grandfather, my great-grandfather, and my uncles were on ships like this, and in their portfolio it said that they were cookmen and wards officers and whatnot. So that's how they were treated, going through a tiny hole like that. Tiny hole in the wall instead of climbing up the stairs. I'm going to show you how we climb up the stairs here, but that's how they have them going to go and eat in the back of the ship. It's in the back of the ship. So this is how you normally go through, steps, not a hole or anything, climbing through. You go up the stairs. Like that. And that is the ship.
Sweet brown.
That is the ship.
Is the ship sinking?
No. What do you think it's sinking? It's sinking. No, it's not sinking. That's the ship. Forget what it's called.
Hanana.
It's a naval ship. HMCS Haida. It's a naval ship with many obstacles, and it has a lot of obstacles, many ups and downs. Whoa, like seriously, like we went up and down. Went up and down, through, up, this, down. We're like, were we here already? No, we weren't.
Ooh, vegetables.